Assalamualaikum and good day to everybody. Today, I will represent about our research on enhancing student cyber security awareness toward phishing attack through cloud training module. First, let me introduce to my team member. The first one is Dr. Letchumanan, Shanmugam, and then Puan Afizah Binti Muhammad Yusoff, and the lastly is me, Puan Zuriani binti Ishak. And we are from Department of Information Technology and Communication, Politeknik Balik Pulau. Did anyone familiar to experience with phishing attack? Phishing attack is social engagement that physically manipulate the witness link in computer security using technological resources. Okay. It also been known as a luring method used by attackers to caught trusting internet user for stealing personal data. From this definition, you can see okay, why Malaysian Security Cyber Malaysia do the awareness poster about phishing attack. And as you can see, why we choose topic about phishing attack because from the statistics showed in Cybersecurity Malaysia website, okay, you can see fraud is one of the highest incident cases in Malaysia in 2021. And as you can see, phishing attack is one of the fraud categories. Okay, you can see here from January until December, fraud is the highest, other than spam, cyber harassment, intrusion extension, miraculous code, and others. Okay. Next, okay. Why we choosing higher education about this our respondent? Because Malaysia higher education students' cybersecurity behavior show that the respondents are generally lacking in the best practice that will protect them from cyber threat. Okay, from sources Lalita Munyandi, Balakrishnan Munyandi, and Zarina Shamsuddin, 2017. Okay, and how we will use to do the training? We are using cloud training module. What is cloud training module? We will explain in the next slide. Before that, what is our research objective? Our research objective is to enhance student cybersecurity awareness on phishing attack using cloud training module. So, how is our cloud training module? Okay, our cloud training module was been developed using Google Drive and divided into three parts. For part 1 and part 2, we are using slide and video. Meanwhile, in part 3, we are using Google Form. As you can see, in part 1, we are in introducing what is cybersecurity and type of cybersecurity attack. Meanwhile, in part 2, phishing, we are explain about type and method, protection, resolving, and removing. And the last part is exercise. We are explain about phishing website is forwarded to respondents' email for them to identify phishing characteristic in the selected websites. Next is methodology. Our research methodology is quantitative and we are using experimental research design. We conducted quasi-experimental research approach to analyze our result. We have 91 respondents assigned into two groups, which is treatment and control group. Students in both control and treatment group sat for pre-test prior to the phishing attack lesson. This the control group learned about phishing attack via conventional method, which is slide materials, where meanwhile the cloud training module was deployed for treatment group. The study variable are the varied intervention method, conventional and cloud training module for control and treatment group. A post-test was executed for both groups after the lesson. Result. Okay. As you can see from the result here, there is no significant variance was noted between the mean score for student awareness in light of cybersecurity awareness for both groups. Why there is no significant difference? This is because there is no bias respondent period to the intervention. As you can see, mean for both groups here is 1.6 and 1.69. The treatment and control group were homogeneous for student awareness toward phishing attack prior to their intervention. Okay. This is the table t-test of awareness among students after post-test. As you can see here from the t-test result shown there is no significant but there are different between mean score of both group where control group mean score are lowest than treatment group. This is significant that although both the conventional method and the purpose module as stated similar effect on the awareness aspect among students. The comparative analysis revealed that the purpose module was superior over the conventional approach. This is the answer of our objective research. Next, conclusion. This study provides the efficiency of cybersecurity module that may be applied at multiple levels. The proposed module comes in a complete package module, description, as a PowerPoint slide, lab exercise, lab solution, and assessment exercise so as to enable the instructor to use the module without hassle in their courses. The study outcome reveal the efficiency of cloud training is helping the students identify phishing threat as cybersecurity as well as to be aware of the looking adverse effect of phishing attack. Thank you. Does anyone have any question?